Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Boiling points tell a huge story about molecular forces. Let's quickly compare these two structural isomers to see why their boiling temperatures are so different. First, look closely at compound 2 and you will notice it contains a hydroxyl group. This specific oxygen-hydrogen bond is the key because it allows for very strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Next, compare this to compound 1, which is a structural isomer but lacks that hydroxyl group. While both molecules have dipole-dipole attractions, only compound 2 can form those extra strong hydrogen bonds. Since hydrogen bonds are significantly stronger than standard dipole forces, compound 2 requires much more energy to boil. That makes option D our final winner. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi, avoid rush and watch signs, trust given data and check steps for success.